How to sign up on WeChat without scanning a QR code. First thing to do is just to pull up your Google Play Store. From here, just search immediately for WeChat and choose the logo that has two bubbles in it. So download and install this application right here. And if this is your first time, there's no need for you to have a QR code. So access the WeChat application and choose to sign up. Down here, you can choose maybe a sign up via mobile or via Facebook. Now in my case, I'm gonna try to sign up using my Facebook account. Now you just have to enter your credentials from here, and if you also choose to sign up with your mobile phone, then you'll have to enter your name, the country, the phone number, and your password. Now once everything is set, you can also change your profile picture by tapping it in the profile or the camera logo right here. And once everything is filled out, just tick this box right here and accept and continue. So that's how you sign up with WeChat without scanning a QR code.